Hey everybody. So today I want to show you here is a system. It's just half a molar solution of salt water. So about 10 grams of salt inside 350 mils of water, milliliters. We got a platinum electrode on the right here. We got a silver chloride as a reference electrode just in the middle, and then we have a positive. Well, the working electrode is a nickel metal mesh, and there have been some reactions that caused this stuff to form previously, and so now I'm investigating why it's happening. Right? So, in order to do that, we need to bubble nitrogen gas, and so that's what we're doing. We got this tank. We're bubbling nitrogen gas in the solution to displace any CO2 and oxygen and other gases that might be in there. And so I've been bubbling for a while now. So I'm going to run this experiment. Let's run this experiment.